look what we have here. Just got done with a trip to Costco, one of the best places here in America. Come on, you cannot argue with the immovable item against inflation. Inflation will tear down, whirlwind, and obliterate anything in its path except for a Costco hot dog. You got $1.50 for a hot dog and a drink. Like, come on. Will it stand the test of time? Who knows? But I'm here to say 2022, with rising interest rates and crazy inflation and recession fears, the hot dog is something you can just count on. Oh yeah! Glizzy for you. Pa, 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 pa. So let's get right into it. Where did I put the hot sauces? There we go. Right here. All right, cool. All right, so here, let me put you guys on some game right here. We are gonna put the hot dog in the pizza, wrap it up, and eat it. Don't knock it till you try it. Let's go. idea for the next time you go to Costco and you find yourself torn between the hot dog or the pizza, just stick the hot dog into the pizza. Just an idea for the next time you go to Costco and you're torn between the hot dog or the pizza. Just stick the damn hot dog in the pizza. Oh, snaps. Damn. Well, today, after I get over this food coma, I have a shoot in Malibu. So, that's going to be a fun 2-hour drive to there, and then shoot for 2 hours, and then another 2-hour drive back home. But on the way, I'm going to get some tacos. Because you know what? LA has the best tacos. Might as well make my trip worth it. All right. Well, see you guys next time. Bye.